Oh, look out, baby. Trying to wipe all that water off on the couch. Leah on here just had to go potty out in the rain. She doesn't like being wet. Yeah. Really? Wow, that's a bark. That's a good bark for such a little girl. Really big. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, you can get up on the couch. Yes, you can. Yeah. Come on, you can do it, Una. I've seen you do it. I seen it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. I knew you could do it. I seen you do it. Seen it. I seen it. Oh, my babies. Do. That's it? Tuckered out already? Yeah, I thought I'd get more than that. After that big old bowl of food you ate. Oh well. Don't chew on the couch, baby. Come on. No. No chew on the couch. You looking at the rain with Mom? Yeah. Yeah. You sure are a pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're such a pretty girl. You're such a handsome lad. Yes. Hey, when she hollers, you let her go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hey. Alright, Mom, that's enough kung fu lessons for the day. They do that to show the dog how to grab a hold of prey. You know, like this, kid. See, by the neck. See how that hurts? Imagine what it does to the prey. She's not being mean. It's martial arts. The hard way. Same way I learned, though. Yoshiaki Fujiwara put the holds on you so you can feel how bad they hurt when you do them right. Oh no, you slipped off. Now you gotta climb back up. You can do it. Come on. Oh, come on. You can do it. Come on, baby. You good girl. Good girl. Yeah, there's a good girl. Oh, look, everybody's being all pretty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you going, baby? Oh. I can't film you if you go behind me. I just have to stand up again. There you go. Oh, you're so precious. You're so precious. You're so pretty. My pretty little baby girl. You know, just like your mommy. And your sister, Penny. Yes. Yes. What a beautiful girl. And that's probably about all the action we're going to get today. Bye, babies.